Types of stop orders available. In BlackArrow, you have several types of stop orders available to manage your trades efficiently. I'll show you how to place them step by step. To place a stop buy order, start by clicking on Trade menu at the top of the platform. Then, select Buy Stop. Select the account you want to use, the asset, the order validity, and if you prefer, include a bracket. Then, enter the price, quantity, and stop price. Remember that the stop price is the trigger that activates the order, while the price or limit price is the value at which the order will be executed once the stop is triggered. Once you've completed filling in these fields, click Buy and confirm the order by selecting OK. If you want to schedule the order for later, use the Schedule button. To place a stop sell order, go back to the Trade menu and select Sell Stop. In this window, fill in the same fields as in the stop buy order and click Sell to submit your order. BlackArrow also offers other widely used stop orders, such as auto break-even and trailing stop orders. To set up these strategies, go to the Trade menu and select Stop Order. In this window, click Create Strategy and choose a name. You can choose to set up auto break-even, trailing stop, or both at the same time. Let's look at an example with both enabled. First, select the auto break-even and trailing stop options. In the Gain field, define how many ticks, monetary units, or percentage from the entry point you want your trade to move before auto break-even is triggered. In the Start Price Difference field, enter how far in ticks, monetary units, or percentage you want the stop to be from the entry point. For the trailing stop, in the Gain field, set the distance in ticks, monetary units, or percentage from the entry point at which it will activate. In Last Price Difference, enter the distance for the last adjustment, and in Adjust Frequency, set how often the stop will be updated. These are the different types of stop orders you'll find in BlackArrow. Use them to manage your trades more effectively and maximize your results. See you in the next video.